Climb inside the 2019 Ford F-250.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.